Hey guys, today we'll be taking a look at the Vortex Defender CCW. We'll start with an unboxing, go over the footprint and key features, and then dive into the basic controls. So let's jump right into it. When you open the box, you'll see the optic itself with a protective sleeve on it. You'll also notice a rather intimidating warning label, which you will promptly ignore. Before we tackle another important sticker, let me show you the rest of the package. The package also includes a mounting tool, a cleaning cloth, a user manual, a 1 MOA shim in case you need to angle the optic downward a bit, and quite a few screws, which I really appreciate. The optic also comes with a Picatinny mount attached, so you could use it as an offset backup sight, for example. Or, if you prefer, you could also use it as a very expensive hand stop. But if you'd rather use it on your pistol, you'll need a Shield RMS footprint optic plate. Or, if your pistol already has the RMS/RMSC optic cut, you can mount it directly on the slide. I recommend using a Torx screwdriver when mounting the optic. The torque should be set at 15 inch-pounds, which is approximately 1.7 Nm. Now it's time to remove the sticker that reminds us to remove another sticker directly on the battery. So unscrew the cap, remove the second sticker, put everything back, and now the optic is ready to use. But before I show you the controls, I want to mention the key features. First, the fast rec texturing on the face of the optic is worth noting. It's designed to assist with slight rocking against any surface. Another feature is the auto shut-off with motion activation, which turns off the red dot when not in use and powers it back on when movement is detected. My particular Defender CCW has a red 6 MOA dot. There is also a version with a 3 MOA dot. Both use a CR1632 battery with an expected lifetime of 9,500 hours at brightness setting 6. There are 10 brightness settings in total. Vortex claims that the red dot is waterproof, but I wasn't able to find any certification for this device. The last feature I want to mention is the unlimited, unconditional lifetime warranty, which is quite rare these days. Now onto the basic controls. To power it on, press the up or down button. To power it off, hold the down button for 5 seconds. The up and down buttons also control the brightness. If you hold the up button for 3 seconds, you'll activate or deactivate the button lockout mode, which prevents accidental setting changes. To activate or deactivate the auto shut-off feature, hold both buttons for 3 seconds. The brightness will start cycling from the lowest to the highest setting, indicating that the feature is on. If the brightness cycles from the highest to the lowest setting, the auto shut-off is turned off. To adjust windage and elevation, use these two turrets. 1 click equals 1 MOA. And that's everything for today's video. See you next time.